Okay, some GRE math prep questions. Let me remind you that on the GRE, a calculator is provided for both the computer-based and the paper pencil versions. There is a big change, and that change is that the calculators only have like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and square root keys. There is a way that you can transfer your answer from the calculator provide you on screen to the answer box, but nonetheless, you're not going to have any solve functions or anything like that. Also remember that there's no calculus or trig on the GRE math portion. So let's look at this question. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is a way that was submitted to me by somebody else, and the second way is the first way is the way I would do it. So this is what I would do. This is pretty quick math. I would just say, you know what, 2a is equal to 20. So a must be equal to 10. 3b is equal to 20. So b must be equal to 20 over 3. I'm just doing these bit by bit. 4c is equal to 20, right? Because if 2a is equal to 3b and 3b is equal to 4c and 4c is equal to 20, then each of these pieces are equal to 20. So if this is true, then c is equal to 5, isn't it? And then all I do is this. They're asking us for 9abc. So I just find out, I take 9 times abc. A is 10, b is 20 thirds, c is 5. I do my multiplication here. First I'd simplify a little bit. Get here, 9 over 3 is 3, so we get 3 times 10 times 20 times 5 is equal to 3 times 10 is 30, times 20 is 600, times 5 is equal to 3,000. That's how I would have done that. So, alright, let me have 1 second here and we'll do the next technique. So here's the second technique, and the second technique is the one that was submitted to me. I guess it's cool, it's just weird to me. I'm not sure I would have done it this way. It would be that 2a times 3b times 4c. Remember, each one of these is 20, so 20 times 20 times 20 is equal to 20 to the third power. Remember, you're going to have a simple calculator to use, so you will be able to do this bit of math here. And 20 to the third power happens to be 8,000. And then when we multiply these out, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. And a times b times c is abc, obviously. Divide both sides by 24, and we get that abc is equal to 8,000 divided by 24. Now, this is why I would have done it using this technique, because it necessitates a calculator, for me, anyway. Anyway, that turns out to be 333 and a third. And remember that we want, this is ABC, right? ABC is equal to this. We want 9 ABC. So we have 9 times 3,333 and a third. We're using that simple calculator that they would have provided us. We multiply this, and again, we'd get 3,000. So, okay, I'm going to move on to the second video in just a second here. Just want to remind you that this is, the more of these practice problems you do, the better you're going to be. And if you're thinking you need to ace this portion, but you're not great at math, you can still ace it. You just have to be prepared for what the questions are going to look like. And I'm going to break down in the next video what percentage of each type of problems there are. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And your comments are always welcome.